Okie doke. Back on the grind. A lot less phlegm in the throat. I think that's the first time I've even hawked today. Checking something real quick. I need to see once when I need to tune into this MMA stream. Ah shit, I don't even know who's next. Cool. Alright, this shows. Damn, 3 more fights till then. Holy shit. Okay. Alright, I'll just tune in here occasionally to check. Oh, come on. Okay. Well, I'll check in at like 10. It's fine. I'm about to return these glasses so I can get them fixed up. They need to be, I guess, progressive because it's good. I like reading through them, but I don't like looking through the world or looking through them to see the world, looking at the world through them. So I only like reading. That's it. Because reading becomes like just crystal clear. The font is basically like bold. It's great. So that's nice. And screens are fine because screens are 2D. I don't lose depth perception in 2D. The screen's fine. But even just the outside of the screen, it just like I can tell and distinguish. Oh, it's because. Well, let me see. I just lose depth perception. Like it's harder to distinguish. Like I'm not gonna fuck up because I've lived for a long time. But if I was a kid and I put these on out of nowhere, I might start missing stuff. Like if something was like there's a wall over there and then there's this door frame or there's here and then here. So like how far is my leg under the table? I wouldn't be able to give you an accurate estimate if I hadn't like if I wasn't like 25. So let me get progressive, I guess, so I can see. I can look through part of it to read and then look through the rest for the world. So if I turn around at work and have to talk to somebody, I can just turn around and look through the top instead of having to turn around and then turn around, take them off, and then turn back around. It's annoying. So, alright, back to string action. Like even now, dude, it's just weird. I don't like using them for anything unless I'm reading. So, but that's the solution. So, I mean, I make 50K. It's easily enough to optimize everything in my life. So, don't have enough money to fly and visit my family every single month, or at least, probably barely, probably just barely. But I would have zero savings. So, currently saving how much money that would take. But once I get another job and make more money, then boom. Once I'm making 70 grand, I'll be chilling. Be in like 2 years probably. Then the money will really come once I pivot over to C++ or VR dev at least. Okay. Yep, we already know that we can do strings now. Oops. Need output to test this out. And then we'll standard character output that. Easy enough. Cool. Cool. Now we'll just make a function. Doesn't It's void, doesn't return anything. It takes a standard string. Just call it thing. Cool. Same shit. Cool. Cool. Okay, standard strings just like regular shit. Initialize them. We can assign them. Okay, let's do her again. Need output. Fucking hate this keyboard. For coding, at least. Same shit. It's fine. We'll do Well, how would I do it different? Maybe. Oh, okay. We'll do. It doesn't matter. Yeah, it's fine. We'll do. Uh-oh. What did I do? Maybe new isn't. I think new is a keyword. Oh, oops. Maybe it wasn't. Oh, there's an operator in it called new. Let's see. New operator? Oh shit. Alright, well noted. It's a keyword. Okay. So the point is we have this value initialized string. It has some old shit, and then we print what the old shit is, and then we replace it with the new shit. We assign it the new shit value, which is a literal compared to being just this. Then we print it. Oops, sorry. I shouldn't print thing. I should print old. Old. So we print old shit, then print new shit. But then if we do const, it's actually, well, let me see, hold on. 14. Yeah, it's bad here because we're putting new stuff. So this is fine. So we do that and it'll print nothing and then new shit. Or it won't even print nothing because it doesn't have anything. Its value initialized to be 0. So it doesn't have an end line, doesn't have anything. Makes sense. And the reason that this is cool and this is changing is because one, these are local parameters, but we're not passing this guy by value or by reference. We're only passing him by value. So the value that this guy has, 0, is passed here. This value is passed here. Not even this, but this value is passed here because this is stored in a temporary variable allegedly. And then we're changing this guy because we can change this guy. He's local all day, easy peasy. Not this guy though. So if we did that, bad. Doesn't work because there's a constant operand. There's no in the assignment operator. Does not work for constants. So, oop, part do we get? I don't think I got very far. Okay, numeric characters 2. Excuse me. Try some music. See if it actually does affect anything. What is hot? Holy. Oh, yeah. Yeah, but not my type. I don't need that. Maybe though. Good teeth though. Lips are kind of weird. What am I listening to? Brain cancer jams? What is this? Oh. Your favorite DJ's favorite. True. Do this and then Comtrues. I'll start with Comtrues. No, I'm gonna start with Fireplace. Okay. It's too cold. I got pizza coming in the morning, dude. 5 pizzas. 5 thin crusts. Got 3 pounds of bacon coming. So I can cook like probably half a pound maybe, and then put it on top, and then drizzle hot honey on it, and it has pepperoni already. Oh, got hot honey coming too. Got milk coming too. Got toilet paper. Man, we're chilling tomorrow. Wish I had done. Well, I guess not. I kind of wish that I had done more. Started programming earlier today, but I need to have some inspiration days too, where I just lock in, and catch up on my story that I only shallowly read every morning a little bit for like 20-ish minutes maybe while I'm doing stuff, so it's not great. But now when I lock in, it's good. Dim tears gone. Inspiration in the head. Yeah, and make characters because all the stuff within the quotes is treated as text. Makes sense. Yeah, I'm good. We can do this for like probably what the fight probably won't even be happening for like another hour. I'll just watch the one. So another hour, then I'll stop it and watch a fight, and then come back, do another 2-3 hours, and then do some game dev or not. C++ is more important right now. Unreal Engine can leave, but C++ isn't for now, and this is more generalizable anyway. If I have to work in another engine at another company or make changes at the engine, the low level of the engine, then Unreal won't help me, but C++ will for sure. Cool. Oh, so we can do it. Okay. So it'll be like the buffered character output or input maybe, or at least I guess output, where it takes away white spaces, but in this case it would take these away, get the value, and then try and convert it later. Yep. Sorry. Yep. Doesn't this go against how you want to include normally? Don't you want to do this first? Just in case? I mean, it doesn't really matter because they're both in the standard template, so I guess it's fine. Standard library. Yeah, because you can assign it different ones without worrying. Seems like it dynamically adjusts the memory, maybe. Or it just gives it enough to where it fits them? Sounds like that's probably inefficient, though. Sounds like it's probably automatic or smart. Hmm. Cool. Makes sense. Yes, it does do dynamic memory allocation. Cool. Hmm. Oh. Well, I gotta find out. First, I kind of want to try the crazy sitting again. See if we can get some of this long-term squat action going. This is probably good. Just kind of hurts the feet a little. We need some input action. Need strings. And then output text. Oh. So it seems like maybe it doesn't like white spaces in the beginning? Oh, probably because character input instead of string input. Oh, it seems like it's, yeah. So we're doing character. So it seems like character input is taking each word and storing it as its own thing. So it keeps getting characters until there's a white space and does that as one character, but then doesn't continue for white space. Okay, this ain't the sitting spot. This is not the strat. No, because then I'll fall. Trying to find it, man. Alright, fuck it. I give up. Okay, can we not? Please? Check the temp. It's too hot. I was just that sitting like that was too hot. It was hurting. Pain usually it increases body heat for me at least. Probably because it annoys me. Okay. So we prompt the user, value initialize the string, and then yeah, breaks on white space. Or it stops it stops assigning after the white space. To figure out a way so I can sit in this thing normally again, because it was comfortable before. Oh. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna play one OC song real quick.
Welcome to us. Click. You have reached the zombie out. You have. At the tone, please provide your zip code and degree of infestation. A zombie response team will be dispatched to your area as soon as possible.
Cool, that was fun. Alright. We extract and then color and then we extract. Oh. And then we say that and then say that. Okay. Well, yeah, the problem is because it does one, so it stops. It's the same thing as I already found out. It takes subsequent characters, subsequent non-white space, or consecutive non-white space characters, assigns them to one, and stops assigning once it hits white space, and then any rest goes to the next and to the next, just like normal. Like if I had done um, I space K, it would say your name is I space, and then your favorite color is K. So in this case, the problem is it's not taking the entire sequence of input for one individual input line or session or instance and assigning all of that to the string. It's and the reason why is because it's stopping with white spaces. Mm-hmm. Yep. And it extracted dough because it already had it because it has its own little buffer action where it stores all of them. Instead of assigning one and then killing the rest, it assigns and then keeps the rest, and then only asks for more if it actually needs more. So if there was a third one, it would have said, your name is John, favorite color is dough, and whatever else. And it would have prompted you for the last bit if you had only entered two. Standard get line to input text. Oh, wow. Oh, it's not instead. You're using both. Oh, WS. Hasn't explained WS yet. Okay. Hmm. Excuse me. Okay. My guess would be get line is a function that gets the entire line, but and it's assigning stuff to text, but you also need to pass it the white space. So what if I did curious? Damn. Okay. Don't yet know what the white space requires. Sounds like it has some specific type of use case where it's passed as a parameter. Hmm. Okay, I'll try and use it. Oh wait, we're not even outputting it. Cool. This worked. So we use get line and we have to pass it the white space. Output manipulators. Oh yeah, because like set precision. Yep, there it is. So I guess character output is a function. It's just that functions that there are different types of functions that use the insertion and extraction and maybe other operators, and those ones don't use the parentheses. It seems like their parentheses are that the extraction or insertion operators as the first, and the last being the semicolon to terminate the line. I have to shave tonight. Why isn't it the first result? Damn. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna try it without the white space part. So it tells character input to ignore the white space, meaning keep extracting stuff. And getLine somehow, meaning not ignore the white space isn't well, ignore meaning don't terminate when you get the white space. Just treat it like its own character and extract it as one large like character, one string, one sequence of characters. Oh fuck! Toast. God damn, dude. knew I was getting angry earlier, so I almost snapped my glasses. I mean, I'm not gonna do that. I don't break stuff anymore. But man, I was getting fucking pissed when stuff was getting stuck. I mean, I feel like I want to sit with my legs crossed right now. That's what I'm gonna do. I hate having my feet straight out. Needs to be warmer, but whatever. Mm. Oh. Oh, it's okay. Right, same shit. Yeah, what the heck? Hmm. So it's fine for one, but if we don't tell it to ignore white spaces, then we'll see. Oh, what? Hmm? Oh, what if we did? Wait, it seems like it's working though. Oh! Oh, wait. Hold on. I don't see any issue just yet, but whoops. Oh, so the issue's here. So if I do 4 and end, and we don't tell it to ignore the white spaces, I understand. Seems like the white space part isn't. Oh, okay. So it seems like if we do this as is, then it doesn't store any white spaces. So if I start with this, then we're cool. Because the white spaces aren't used in here. But because we're not including white space, or we're not extracting, I guess, extracting this to white space, or plugging a white space into character input, or character input into white space, we're not tying them together or using them both, then it's not ignoring white spaces that precede input. So, sure, this doesn't store white spaces as white spaces, it stores them as text, but it doesn't check and ignore stuff before it. So if we do it this way, and I enter a number, and then I press enter, enter enters the end line operator, which, because we're not plugging in standard white space, it is not ignoring. So if we do 4, enter, and then blue, now it's cool. And it's because this white space is saying, hey, if there's already stuff in the character input buffer, there's 4 and inline operator. Well, and then technically, well, actually, yeah, because we haven't even outputted 4 yet, so it's still in there. Or no, it's been assigned, so 4 was pulled out. Okay, so there's white space, there's an enter, there's an end line, there's a backslash, I don't actually know what it, backslash n. There. Do not include him before this. But if we take it out, then it doesn't check. It says 4 and the white space guy. Okay. So it's fine this way, or with this before, but it's not fine with other stuff before. Be right back. Let me clean this. Already been 45 minutes? What the fuck? Oh, I put the plate away too. That fireplace is pretty good. What? And I missed this? Oh, fuck. Wow. Damn. Okay. Two weird looking ladies are at it. Alright. Enters that. Yeah. Captures that new line character. Makes sense? Yep, makes sense. Yep. Yep. Excuse me. Makes sense. Yep. So it ignores leading white space characters, meaning anything that happens, or any white spaces that are before the input that it's about to get. Oh wait, this isn't how to write this now. It's cold. I accidentally had my AC set to 70 for some reason on a Saturday night. Oh, because that's why. It was late on the weekend. It was like my 8 o'clock time was set to like 72 degrees, but then I was actually going to bed. And to not fuck up my times, I just went back and set the 8 o'clock to be 70 so I could go to bed. But I did that at like 11 like normal. Okay, if using standard get line to read strings, use the white space input manipulator to ignore the leading white space. Makes sense. But yeah, because it seems like that's an argument for it. When extracting to a variable, the extraction operator ignores the leading white space. Hmm. Okay. So it tells it to stop or to ignore leading white spaces, but not end line or not new lines, which are still white spaces. Okay. The length. Name.length. Oh shit, really? Is that easy? It's just dot length. And it's a function. It's a different way of passing something to a function, I guess. I guess it's a function with no parameters. But is called on something somehow? I don't really know how that works. I don't know how that works. Including. Is this a fucking keyword? No. Okay. That's the keyword. Okay. Oh. What? Getting sloppy because I'm tired. Wow. Oh. Cool. Those are the characters. Total characters minus white spaces. Let's find out actually. It's probably better to do this so that I don't have to. It feels better to put text that I can update in its own thing and then leave this as his own character. Alright, so we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it 4 or 5? Oh, it is 5. So it includes white spaces in that. So we could just probably just do. Oh. Yeah. So 3 and a bunch of spaces. So it ignores the leading white space. Oh. Let's test again. Bro. Yeah. So it ignores it ignores leading but not white spaces afterwards. So it includes those as characters, which makes sense because it is storing them. Cool. Oh. Oh, and the reason it's able to do length is because name is is an object of the string class, which means that it has that length function built in as a member function. Okay. I have a little bit of class inside knowledge, so that makes sense. Oh yeah, I need to upload the game dev from yesterday. That was super helpful. And just fun. Uh-oh. I'll play this guy's videos because I love this guy's videos. Oh, these are funny, dude. Dude, JD looks so cool. I don't know what, like, he's just funny. I like seeing all this. I, he's he's a little cutie, man. Like the, what is it? Misto Zinski. It's just so cute with his face all blown up and stuff. Or shaved or whatever. I don't even know what. That just looks stupid because he looks fat. But here he just looks like a little kid. I don't know why he's funny looking. It makes me laugh. It's just like a little cute kid saying something. I used to work with kids, so I mean, I could tell when people had that cute kiddo energy. Oh, this is just good music too. I kind of want to do that. What was I doing? Yeah, I'm uploading that. Oh, I got a little dopamine boost. I hate that. I got a little boost off the 3 random subscribers on the C++ channel. I shouldn't. I should not care about that. I don't think about it. I don't. Doesn't affect me. But man, humans in the numbers, man. Numbers are dopamine. Sales are up. Stocks are up. And you have money in them. Happiness. Subscriber, you get 1 more. 3 more. Big dopamine hit. It's so stupid. Okay. Oh yeah, I need to upload this one too, or fix this one as well. Bro. What's the one? Oh, no, it was that one. Yeah, yeah. It was the kids thing. I had to make it so that the channel's not meant for kids, so I can just click through stuff faster instead of having to manually click everything. Wait, is it over already? Oh, it was only 3 rounds, 15 minutes, that's why. Oh, it's just good music. I'm gonna play this. Dude, I swear this is a different video than I watched earlier. There's no way he uses this microwave right there. That is such a bad spot. There's no way. Whatever that is. If that's something he's eating, there's no way. What is that? Bleach? Oh, this guy's fucking great. Like in my own comment, I don't care. Nice, dude. Alright. Oh, this kind of hits a little... Oh, this is nice in the background with the fire. This is great. Yeah. That's because this is an object. What type? That's the class. In standard, string, inheritance operator. Don't know this stuff yet, so. Technically. Haven't learned it from this resource yet. Nice. Cool. Makes sense that it would be a size T. Oh, okay. Wait, I'm kind of pumped for a second. 7 plus 5, 22. Cool. Alright. That was satisfying. God, I kinda wanna play some zombies right now. Fuck. God damn, it's a long one. We're already here though. Yeah, makes sense. That's what I already did. Alright, I kinda wanna play another Osa song real quick. Just cause I'm pretty productive.
Welcome to us.
Wait, didn't I just... did I miss this one? Oh, okay. Oh, wait, it's because it's not global. That's why. Excuse me. Gonna do all the 1 stars and then all the 2 stars. That way I see all the bullshit. All the different note mechanisms.
The right decision.
See you
Cool.
next time.
Yeah, so we can do stuff to it, but if we... Makes sense, especially if I'm subtracting from it too. Yeah, like I bet you if we do oops. Keep forgetting what gets auto-populated. Oh, I want to play Gorak Krovi, man. Oh. It's a big ass number. Yep, because it goes from 0. But the second we say blue, it's only 4. And we're subtracting 5, so we wrap around by 1 and get the highest. This is 100,000, million, billion, trillion, quadrillion, pentillion. 18 pentillion. That's an unsigned N64 right there, buddy. We didn't get a warning though. Oh, it's probably because it wasn't determined at compile time, duh. Oh, didn't care. We know that this is 4 and this is -5, so we know that it's interesting. Oh, but what if we do? Oh, because we're not storing it though, we're just outputting it. So if we just do int. Oh, oops. Yep, I was right. Cool. Oh, do we care about that if it's assigned though? So what if we do? First we value initialize them, but then we say. Makes sense. So even on copy assignment, we still get that. That's cool. Okay. String size, probably. Oh. Excuse me. Oh. Oops. Cool. We can do string size, or we can do the string, which is an object of the class string, and use its member function length or dot length. Also true. Yeah, we could do that as well. Fuck, that's why I'm dropped. True. Cool. Makes sense. Alright. Need water. Oh, damn. Another round one. Shit's quick. Seems like usually the betters are right. Okay. Hmm. Meaning that it's expensive to make a copy. We about to pass it by reference? What are we about to do? Hmm. Okay. Hmm. So do you pass it a static cast? Or can you just pass it? I don't know. I don't know if there's a conversion issue or what. So instead of temporarily storing that value by copy assigning it to a temporary variable, it is instead just passed straight to it. That's cool. Hey. Sounds like return it if it's local and going to be destroyed at the end of the function. Would that even matter though? Because it's gonna get destroyed anyway. I don't know. Okay. Hmm. 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 Okay. So you can use the namespace string literals in order to create string literals of the string standard string type instead of the C cell string type. Hmm. Oh, because maybe auto can't automatically detect C style strings. Or maybe some things are. Oh yeah, forget we can do variables without identifiers, can't we? Just can't reference it. Hmm. The fuck? Uh oh. Oh god. Oh good lord. Damn. Uh oh. Cool. Where's the cutoff? Oh. I think it's because we're saying. Telling it that the length is not. Or we're giving it a length of the string that is not how long the string actually is. I don't know why off the bat. Const expression string. It's created by something that's known at compile time, but maybe there isn't. Maybe it isn't somehow. Oh, okay. Well, I'm in C20, so I'm just curious. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hmm? Seems like it can't even be used here. Hmm. Okay. Need output. Need strings. Hmm. Oh, that's nice. I don't even have to do the closing. Alright, what if I do? Oh. Oh. Yeah, it's fine. Well, I'm gonna do this anyway. Just so I stay good at typing, and for when I'm doing static casts like that, it's not gonna fill it for me, so. Oh. Easy. Check. Okay. So we need output. We need string. I want to prompt the user. Makes sense to just do this. We need to be able to store the age and extract it. Prompt the user again. Need to value initialize the age so we can extract to it. We use getLine. GetLine gets the entire line of text, not just one character. Not just so getLine allows us to include spaces in the text so it continues for the line instead of terminating at the first space or white space. And its arguments or its parameters, but in this case we're passing it the arguments. It apparently needs standard character input. But we extract standard character input into standard white space. Or I guess we make standard character input talk to white space so that it ignores. What are we doing? I guess it's standard character input is passing something to standard white space, which is allowing getLine or character input to ignore leading white spaces. So after age, which is terminated with a white space, the inline character, getLine doesn't take that and then instantly output the inline and then have nothing. And then we are storing that in name. And then right now I'm doing name length like this, and then I'm outputting age plus name length is age plus name length. Another way I could do it might be get name length, and then we'll do name, and we'll have a function it'll return an int. Oops, sorry. Oh, is there storing it? We're not just outputting it? Oh, wait. Oh. Ooh. Oh, wait. Why was it failing? Oh. What? What happened? Oh, I accidentally entered wrong stuff? Okay, well, whatever. It's because it was assigning something to an int and it was wrong. Okay. Works. Oh, yeah. Well, yeah, because age is an int, and the string length is an unsigned int64, which is why we static cast it to an int. Why is the site bugged? So fucking useless. Why can't I click? Oh, wow. Looks like a big dude. Really? He was punching him that much in the body? Jesus. Hit him a lot of times in the body. Hmm. So few strikes, dude. That's all? It's crazy. Okay, I'll keep going until Herrera is live. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's how I did it in the beginning. These comments suck ass. Well, I mean, I guess it's not. Nah, it's fine because we're saying it here. Okay. I'll do this again and make sure that my comments are good. Just to make sure. Cool. That dude's foot is fucked up. Wait, really? Oh, but probably like time on the ground or something. I don't know. I don't give a shit about that. Okay. String view. Oh, oh. Yep. Hmm. 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 Okay. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna pause here, watch that fight, and then I'll be back. Maybe. Actually, I'm kind of tired. That might be it for tonight.